Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've been researching ways to keep my immune system really healthy so I can fight off stuff that might be coming at me, viruses and flus and everything else, just to be as healthy as I can be. I've been researching elderberry. Vitboost sponsored this video, and I'm so glad they did because I wanted an elderberry. They have a great extract, but let me tell you a little bit about elderberry to begin with. The berries and flowers of elderberry are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, and that may be helping boost your immune system. It's thought that they could help tame inflammation, lessen stress, and protect your heart too, as well as make the symptoms better and not so bad. It eases the cold and flu symptoms, according to a lot of experts. And I love going for a natural antioxidant and strong immune support type of product. I come from a public health background, and I'm really concerned about today's flus and the coronavirus. You may know that from watching me. I believe the viral load is what can get the best of us. And so the healthier we are, the more prepared we are to push a cold, a flu, or the virus away. We need to be strong enough to not catch these contagious diseases. We need to do everything we can. And so a natural supplement was what I was looking for. Vitboost makes a pure organic liquid of elderberry. It's vegan. Vitboost is an American company that makes this in America, and they made sure that in every one of their supplements of elderberry that it's gluten-free, allergen-free, super high quality, GMP, and lab tested. And Vitboost elderberry extract is also free of soy, dairy, egg, wheat, nuts, shellfish, binders, artificial flavors, and sugar-free. It's a homeopathic alternative to staying healthy that I believe in. I'm going to take 2 of these dropperfuls. You press it down on the top, and you get it to be as filled as it can, and 2 of these a day is what you take. I could put them in juice or water, but I love the flavor. So I put them under my tongue, which makes it absorb even more through your tongue and then as you swallow it. So I'm placing it under my tongue, and I'm going to hold it for 20 seconds. And then I swallow. It's delicious. Don't drink the whole bottle, even though it tastes that good. It is so packed with nutrition. You wouldn't want to do that. You want to make it last. Each bottle has 30 servings in it. 200 milligrams. This is a special syrup made from elderberries. Vitboost elderberry extract is clinically studied, and it's great for kids and adults all year round, and especially we want it for this winter. The reason I like to take it under my tongue, it's the sublingual absorption that happens in my mouth. That's even better than putting it in water or juice. But do what you like and what works for you in your routines. And as I was checking out their elderberry, I also found their biotin. You know me as a girly girl with my hair and my nails and all the things I like to do. So biotin really helps with some of those features of our body and keeping our body strong as well. And so it tastes great too, and it's the same thing. You take 2 droplets under your tongue, letting it sit for 20 seconds so it's absorbed by your sublingual tissue. 2 doses a day. And it's great for your skin too. So click the link below to get your elderberry extract or your biotin and some of their other great products. You got to check them out. Besides YouTube, you can also follow Vitboost on Instagram too. They're really terrific on health supplements. I love them. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and put down here your health concerns in the comment box, and let's start a conversation about that. 'Tis the time and 'tis the season. Thanks for watching, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for really good health to get through whatever may come at us. Bye. If you like this video, there's more about health and some really great health recipes over here. So check those out too.